Uh, actually, the Christine ma'am is on leave for this whole week till Friday. She'll join from Monday. So I'm conducting the sessions on her behalf. And today we will also have Chandrima ma'am joining at 8:30. Okay, so we'll have a session with her also today. Every Tuesday, Chandrima ma'am comes at 8:30. Okay, so let's have a introduction for everyone. Let's start from Prapti.
Hello everyone, myself Prapti. I am from Asansol and I am pursuing BMS from iLead and I want to become an editor. Yeah.
Okay, thank you. Yuraj.
Hello everyone, my name is Yuvraj Pratap Singh. I am from Bihar State. I am from Trivir Public School. I am a student of 5th class and I want to become an IPS officer.
Okay. Your father is also here?
Yes, sir.
Yes, please.
My name is Shiv Pratap Singh. I belong to Bihar also, and I am from Rohtas district. I am a teacher, and in coming future, I want to become a very successful motivational speaker
What do you teach?
in English.
English.
Uh,
Okay.
English.
English only. Okay. Okay.
English, sir. I am right.
Okay. Thank you. Brinda Jain. Today is your first session, right?
Good evening,
Please
everyone.
introduce yourself.
Good evening, everyone. My name is Vrinda Jain. I am from Badauth, UP. I'm currently pursuing BCom and I'm in my first year. Thank you.
Which college?
Banasthali Vidyapeeth.
Sure. Okay. Thank you. Rajneesh Mishra. Are you able to hear me?
Yes, sir. I am Rajneesh Mishra from UP Bhadohi. I have completed my master's in economics. I am a good teacher. I want to be an economist and mathematician. Okay, sir. Thank you, sir.
Okay. Thank you. Anisha.
Hello, a very good morning, a very good evening, everyone. I am Anisha. Morning. Stop, stop. Very good evening,
Reflex.
everyone.
It's called reflex action.
Yes, exactly. A very good evening, everyone. I am Anisha Jaiswal. I have completed my schooling from Adamus International School, Kolkata. Now, currently, I am pursuing BBA from iLead Institute. That's all about
Okay.
me.
Thank you. Aritra.
Good evening, everyone. Myself, Aditya Mukherjee. I am currently pursuing BBA in entrepreneurship course in iLead, and in future, I want to become an entrepreneur.
Okay. Thank you.
Welcome.
Khushbu, please.
Hello, good evening, friends. I am Khushbu. I am living in Kolkata. I have completed my Master of Science in Botany and I am a homemaker. I have 2 kids. Thank you.
Thank you. Shubhajit.
Good evening, everyone. I am Shubhajit. I am pursuing BBA in entrepreneurship from iLead, and in the future, I want to start something of my own.
Something of your own. Okay, sure. Veena ma'am, please.
Myself, Veena Singh. I'm a teacher in Trivir Public School, Karma. It's a small village near Vikramganj. Thank you.
Thank you. Okay, so everyone remembers today's topic, or anyone who don't remember? Okay, let's do a check if everyone remembers. Prapti, do you remember what is the topic today?
Yes, sir. Sir, bucket list. Our bucket.
Yes. What is a bucket list? Please explain everyone.
Sir means what all things we want to do.
Mm-hmm. When?
Sir, achievements. Yes, sir.
Mm-hmm. In
That
the
we want
lifetime.
to do. Yes, sir.
Okay, so it's basically before death, all the things I want
Yes.
to do, I want to achieve. It's like that. And this phrase has come from kicking the bucket, because kicking the bucket means you are dead, like you're dying. So before you kick the bucket, you make a bucket list. So that's how this thing came up. And this bucket list is also name of a movie in which there are like I think two old guys who are following their they followed their bucket list finish they tried to finish their bucket list before they could they will die. I mean, they could foresee that they'll die in few years, so they just wanted to finish all the things they wished. So that's the bucket list movie also, and by meaning also. Okay, okay. Priyanka has just joined. Priyanka, please, can you introduce yourself to the rest of the crowd?
Hello, good evening, sir.
Evening. Yes, it's evening.
What are you saying?
Introduction.
Yeah, myself.
Yes. To
Oh,
everyone. Everyone should know who's Priyanka. Who's Priyanka?
Okay. Myself Priyanka Kumari, and now I am living Jamshedpur, Jharkhand, and now I am pursuing MBA second semester. And my birthplace is Bihar, and my hobby is singing song and listening song also, and reading also, traveling also.
Okay, sure.
That's
Priyanka,
it.
you know the topic today?
Today topic is what is your bucket list? Sorry.
Yes. Let's start from you. What is your bucket list?
Okay. There are many things in my bucket list,
How many?
which I want.
100, 200, 10,000,
No.
1 million?
No. Means 10 to 15.
10 to 15.
Enough.
Okay. You can just tell 5 to start.
Just only. Okay. My bigger dream is that I will make a house or buy a house also, and I will buy a four-wheeler also. I will visit Andaman and Nicobar and Paris, and I want to be a HR. And and now when I completed my masters, that time I will give a party for my colleagues, means college friend and school friends also. And if we have time, means all friends have time, that time I will go for visit any in any hill stations, means Simla and Himachal, Jammu and Kashmir, Darjeeling, Sikkim,
Okay.
etc.
And Andaman Nicobar also. And
Yeah.
Paris also, right?
Paris. Yeah, long time.
So Paris is only one place abroad, as in outside India. Everything else
Yes.
within India. Right?
Within India. Yes.
Okay, fine. Okay, Rajneesh, what is your bucket list like? Please tell everyone.
Sorry, sir.
What is your bucket list? What are the things you want to do before you die?
Sir, I want to be an economist and mathematician, and I think my bucket list is means I want to travel a lot in lot of country. Like first of all, means neighbor country, Nepal and Bhutan, Sri Lanka, and after that I want to travel in European country, Netherlands, Germany, etc. And I want to make some. I want to make some new friends who like and economics. I want to make my experience more means big. I think so.
Okay, so travel the world and be an economist, famous economist probably. Right. Okay, Vrinda Jain, please tell your bucket list to everyone.
So my bucket list is I want to be a successful business woman, and I want to travel lots of places, and so many more things.
And many more things.
As in particulars, I haven't decided, but yeah.
Okay. Yeah, sure. Maybe it's a good exercise for all of you. I mean, after the session or tomorrow, whenever, write everything down. Once you write everything down, see everything every day, maybe half of them will be fulfilled, or maybe all of them. You never know. Okay, Khushbu, please tell your bucket list to everyone.
Sir, I created my own bucket list to hold myself accountable for what I wanted to do in my life. Like a bucket list is like a wish list of things I would like to do. I want to make a I want to build my own Antilia house and I want to live there with my family members. I want to make my son independent and I want to make my son big business tycoon.
Okay.
And I want to do world tour with my family like Maldives, Dubai, Paris, etc. That's it. Thank you, sir.
Thank you. Aritra, please.
Well, sir, there are several things I want to achieve in my bucket list, but the problem is that if I keep on saying, then it won't end today. That's
Just say
because
5.
I am a huge
Top
dreamer.
5.
I am a huge dreamer, so I have a lot of things to say, but I would give a
Every
few
day,
examples.
one dream you are seeing and new dream. Is it?
Every day, new dream.
Every day,
So,
new dream.
yes,
Okay.
sir. So, I would give a few examples. For example, at first, I want to graduate from college. Then I want to start my own company, and then after starting my own company, I would donate some. I would like to donate some money to the charity or to the poor people. Then there are several things like I want to travel the world, spend more time with my family, spend more time with my friend. Then I also want to join a gym and build a muscular body. And I would also like to try out different kind of sports, adventure sports.
Okay.
And there are many other things.
Sure. Okay. So just for everyone's information, if you have one dream every day or one new list every day, so 365 days is 365 things, right? And then 100 years if you live, it's 36500. 36,500 is the maximum number of dreams you will see. Think about it. Did you ever think your life is too short? 36500 only. That's it. Okay. We have okay, one more. Okay, maybe we'll come to the person later. One more new person. Ronit. Yeah, please tell everyone. Please first introduce yourself. You came a bit late. Please introduce yourself to everyone, and then
Good evening.
your
Good evening,
bucket
sir.
list. Please.
My name is Ronit Kumar Giri. I live in Mekaskiganj, situated in Jharkhand state. I love to listen song and I love to cook food.
And your bucket list?
Actually, sir, I have not planned yet, but I have some few items that I would like to conclude.
2, 3,
First of all,
1 maybe. Yes.
Yes, sir. First of all, sir, I would like to build a strong character, clean and strong character. And the second, sir, I would like to maintain my life as a disciplined manner. And so third, I would like to do something which would help my village as well as my parents. And the fourth, sir, I would like to do a job in rural development management.
Okay, thank you. Okay, we have one more new person, Sarika Singh. Sarika, please introduce yourself to everyone, and also if you can tell your bucket list, few things at least. You have to unmute yourself. Sarika, can you hear me? Okay. We'll come to you later. Yuraj, please. And then your father can also
Sir,
tell.
till
Please.
now I have not decided my bucket list, but there are something which I want to achieve. My first wish is that I want to become an IPS officer. And so many things, but I don't remember. So I am not prepared. I'm not prepared for
Oh, okay. You knew the topic, right? But you didn't
Yes,
prepare.
sir.
Anyway, no, but that's fine. See, preparation is just one thing, but eventually you have to just become like random. Any question can come to you, and then you just have to explain or answer. Okay, let's. Your father, please.
Okay, sir. The biggest dream of my life is to become a very successful motivational speaker. And for this purpose, I want to travel the whole world, most of the countries. And I want to be established, especially in especially as a motivational speaker. I want to be a renowned person as a motivational speaker. This is the biggest dream of my life, and I'm working hard for it.
Okay, thank you.
And
Shubhajit, yes.
ultimately,
add
I
something,
would
please.
like to see myself on top as a motivational speaker.
Sure. Okay.
Yes,
Any
sir.
role
This
model
is
you have for motivational speaker? Like Sandeep Maheshwari. He
yes,
is
sir.
very
There are
famous,
so many people, but I like the most to Abdul Kalam Azad.
Okay, sure. Okay. Shubhajit, your answer, please.
Yes, sir. First thing I would like to do is as I said, I would like to start a company, have my own startup, and I also want to become a pilot. Plus, I want to help my parents when I grow up. Then I
So
also
you want
want to.
to start a company and become a pilot, both the things
No. First,
simultaneously?
I want to become a pilot, and after that, I want to start my own company when I am older, when I have some experience.
Okay. Okay, sure.
Other thing I want is I also want to run one marathon in my life because I've never done that yet. I also want to learn how to do glass painting. I have done all other different kinds of painting, but never learned how to paint on glass. And I also, when I grow old, I also want to buy a home in the hilly areas and move away from the city.
Sure. Okay. And then Anisha, please.
I'm a kind of a person who makes a bucket list each and every day. Like if one thinks
36500.
no, it's not like 36500. It can be 726544. Anything it can
Every
be.
hour.
It's yeah, exactly. It can be anything. I'm a kind of a person like who tries to achieve all my bucket list. It's just not that it's constant and I'm waiting for a particular time. If I'm able to do, I will just go for it. And a very silly thing which I have in my bucket list is to do maths every day, which I can never do. So that's the only thing which is remaining constant in my bucket list. Other than that, I always try to overcome all my fears, all my threats, and I try to improve myself. And speaking, what are the things in my bucket list? First of all, I'm a kind of a travel person, so I need to have a world tour. Whether it is a solo, whether it's a family tour, whether it's a friend tour, I need to have a world tour. Secondly, I want to grow myself in a marketing field. And there are many things like I'm just being so haphazard. It's going so haphazard, and I want to read all the books of John Green, in which 2 to 3 books I have already read. And yeah, there is many things which is just
Okay. Sure.
yeah.
Okay. Anyone left? Veena ma'am, yes, I think you are left. Please.
I'm also a person who makes every day a wish and put it in my bucket.
Okay.
But most my priority is to open my own school, because the education system of India, it's not good. They are giving only bookish knowledge. I want to enhance the students' knowledge by giving practical knowledge also. For that, I want to open a school.
Sure. That's good.
And after that, I'll go for a world tour. After opening the school,
After opening the school, maybe go before.
I'll hire most talented teachers of the world, and then I'll leave to them and then go for a world tour.
Okay, maybe if you think about it, opening school might take all the money. So maybe world tour first, and whatever is remaining, start school.
No, school first.
School
Because
first.
school will give me a lot of money.
Okay. So, so I think a lot of people told a lot of things about their bucket list. So, do you, I mean, first, like Veena ma'am was saying that, let's earn money first and then, spend the money. So, do you all, I mean, so the question is, think about it, that should you earn, and then spend, or earn, spend, like every day or every second day? I'll give you a very simple example. Let's say I want to eat an ice cream today. Ice cream cost 100 rupees. Okay, so today I said, no, I will save 100 rupees. I will not eat ice cream. I will put this 100 rupees in fixed deposit or some investment. After 5 years, this 100 rupees become 200 rupees. And after 5 years, the ice cream is also 200 rupees. So I am then eating the ice cream for the 200 rupees or maybe more. I mean, slightly, up, down, whatever. But that is the scenario. That ice cream also cost 200 that time, and your saving has also become 200 roughly. So do you think it is wise to eat the ice cream 5 years ago only or 5 years later? Aritra, what do you think?
Sir, I think we should invest. Investment is
Mhm.
the answer, because nowadays saving is a bad option, because the inflation is going up and value of our money is going down. So
Mhm.
we should invest in properties, in startups, in order to increase our wealth.
Mhm. So you mean
That's
you
what
should
I.
invest enough that it cost, I mean, it becomes more than 200, so
Yes.
you can buy the ice cream also
Yes.
and save a bit on that time, something like that. Okay. Priyanka, what do you think? I mean, would you like to eat the ice cream now or after 5 years later?
Yes, sir. I think we should invest
Mm-hmm.
in some
Okay.
schemes. Mean not eat ice cream, just like what is beneficial for that time.
Okay. Okay. Sure. Ronit, what do you think? I mean, ice cream now or ice cream after 5 years?
Sir, now.
Okay.
Sir,
Why?
because
Explain a bit. Yes,
sir,
please.
because sir, we don't know, sir, in future we are going to live or what will be our situation. So,
Okay, there is
sir,
a uncertainty of life, you are saying.
yes, sir. So I think, sir, unspent will be a good opportunity.
Okay, sure,
Sorry,
sure.
sir, good aspects.
Good, yeah, good choice. Okay, Yuraj, and your father can also answer, please. What do you think? Ice cream now or ice cream 5 years later?
I'll eat ice cream now, sir. Now.
Okay, okay. Your father, please.
Sir, he is not here.
Oh, he's not here. Okay, okay, no problem. Khushbu, what do you think? I mean, yeah, no,
Sir,
that's
can
okay.
you ask one minute later?
Yeah, sure, no problem. We'll see. Khushbu, what do you think? Are you there? Ice cream now or ice cream after 5 years?
I want to eat now because maybe after years maybe I am living or not on the earth. Maybe I don't know. So eat
Okay.
the first thing, first choice, and maybe later I will see for investment.
Okay,
It's
sure.
only 100 rupees, not like one
Mm-hmm.
10,000 like lakhs. If maybe lakhs or
Okay.
thousand or maybe crore, then I will go for investment. But it's like
Okay.
100 rupees, then I will eat now.
Now, because low money, I mean, low cost, so better do now. Don't
Yes.
wait later. But if it's high money, I mean, costly things, maybe think twice at least.
Yes,
Okay,
sir.
Vrinda, what's your take on this?
Sir, now.
Now, okay,
Yes, sir.
explain a bit. Why?
Sir, actually we
जिंदगी
should
ना
spend
मिलेगी दोबारा.
money. नहीं sir, मतलब we should spend money when we have, like we should not wait for a longer period.
Mm-hmm.
But if the investment is for long term, like some property or car types, so
Mm-hmm.
we should invest the money later on only.
Mm-hmm. Sure. Okay, Anisha, what do you think? I mean, your
So
answer for
if
this?
the ice cream is costing 100 rupees now and later it will be costing 200 rupees, then I will be eating the ice cream for 100 rupees and I will be investing the rest of the 100 rupees.
Okay. So you take half, 50-50,
Ah,
whatever
yeah.
savings you have, let's say 50% spend now, 50% maybe
Yeah,
save.
exactly.
Okay,
एक
sure.
तीर दोस्ती निशाना.
एक तीर से तो निशाना नहीं हुआ, एक तीर को तोड़ दिया. आधा. Rajneesh Mishra, yes, what's your answer here? Are you there?
Yes, sir. First of all, I want to say that we will have to earn more and more, no matter ice cream price now or later. If now ice cream means ice cream are selling 100 rupees per ice cream, we will have to ready for purchase in future 1,000 rupees per ice cream. We will have to earn more and more, from which we can afford 1,000 rupees ice cream at that time.
Mm-hmm. Okay, so both the things, I guess, right? Should be, you have to prepare yourself for future also. Shubhajit, what's your answer?
Sir, I'll eat the ice cream now only. I won't wait.
Won't wait. Okay. explain slightly. I mean, what is the rationale behind this decision?
Because we never know what will happen in the future. Plus, the sum of money is so low. If it was a huge amount of money, like lakhs and crores, then I'll invest it. But if it is such
Okay.
a simple thing, then I'll just do it now only.
Better
Bye.
eat 100 rupees, not think so much. Okay. Prapti.
Yes, sir. I will also prefer with earned spend. Sir, because sir, if we earn, then sir, after earning a lot, then we don't feel of
Somebody else
spending
will
that.
spend.
Yes, no. Sir, we don't feel to spend them. We feel to save them. So I
Okay,
will
you
also
become
go
the,
for,
you develop a habit of saving only. Saving,
yes, sir.
and maybe later children will spend all the
Yes,
money.
sir.
You might have seen cases like that, I guess, where parents saved a lot of money and children spend all the money. Priyanka, yes, I think you didn't answer, right? Are you there, Priyanka?
Hello. Yes, sir.
Yes, did you answer or not yet?
Yeah, I speak before this.
Oh, you already answered. Okay, sorry. Okay, Veena ma'am,
Yeah, yeah.
please, what's your answer? I think you are the only
Due
one
to
here.
Corona, I'm not having ice cream. So I will save that 100 rupees and I'll spend it on chocolate or other thing.
Okay. So I think
I'm also
also
that type person who earns and spend. Not, I
and
don't
then
believe
spend
in saving.
saving a lot. Okay, but you will see this every now and then. You will meet anyone left for the answer. I think no, but no, I think all done. I think right. But you would see this kind of behavior every now and then. That there will be people who are spending, I mean, saving so much, and then they think that they will they will enjoy later, and then maybe this corona happened and now they cannot enjoy. They cannot, I mean, most people cannot even go out to travel and all, right? So a lot of people who planned that they will go in 2020, they might be, their dreams are shattered in some ways. Maybe they'll resume a bit later. Okay. Anyone else want to have any last comment on this?